Your gut health isn't just about digestion. Over 70% of your immune system lives directly inside your gut lining. After age 45, our microbiome diversity naturally narrows, leading to low-grade systemic inflammation and a weakened immune baseline. This condition, often driven by a breakdown of tight junctions in the intestinal wall, allows microscopic toxins to slip into your bloodstream. Reclaiming your gut diversity requires a deliberate shift away from processed foods toward diverse prebiotic fibres and polyphenols that fuel beneficial bacteria. When you support the gut, you directly lower systemic inflammation and protect your cognitive health. Tomorrow, we wrap up with our final grand finale on metabolic flexibility. Hit follow to ensure you do not miss it.